I am surprised. Yeah, I am really surprised. Why am I surprised? I am earning money on YouTube. Yay! But I'm not monetized. So how do I earn money on YouTube? That I will explain later in the video. And of course this video is from me, Andreas the Great. So I will do a channel update for 2025. What has been happening on the channel the last year or the last 365 days. Yeah, a lot of have been happening. I have my book with me. Yeah, this is my notebook. So the same time last year, so October, November 2024, we was around 400 or 500 subscribers. And what happened around that time, I was thinking, what is the next chapter on YouTube for me? Yeah, it was me trying to speak English, and I'm still trying to speak English. And yeah, so we gained around 646 subscribers in 1 year. For some people, maybe that is not good at all, but for me, I'm feeling top of the world almost. I'm cross over 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, so cheers. And what more have been happening on the channel the last year? Oh yeah, we lost some guys or girls, women, or whatever they want to call themselves. We lost 470 people or 70 subscribers. Yeah, they say goodbye to me and left. No, they don't even say goodbye. They just left this small community. Yeah, but yeah, that's life. Yeah, but I don't really bother about that. I'm more bothered about making videos and having fun. Yeah, having fun on YouTube. Maybe you're not having fun, but I am having fun making videos. Yeah, so what is my watch hour for 1 year? Yeah, you need to have 4,000 watch hours to get monetized, but I am not even close. Or maybe I'm, yeah, still close. I have 2,800 watch hours in 1 year. So that's not bad, but I need to make more videos so I get more watch hours. Yeah, but now to the most important thing. No, not earnings. I will wait for earnings. The videos. My top 3 performing videos on the channel this year is one from Nepal. Number 1 is from Nepal. I just made the video in Swedish first, and then I translated it to English with a voiceover and some English, of course, because when I met people during filming, I was speaking English because I don't speak Swedish in Nepal. So it's a mix of voiceovers and interaction with people. So that was Nepal. My first impression of Nepal was the best performing video of this year. Yeah, 2025. Over, I think it was over 10,000 views or something. Yeah, and then the second one is one of my favorites to make, actually. It's one from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I was at the harbor and I was following around a local man. He was showing his neighborhood, his home, his family. It was very interesting to film, and also that one performed very well. And Nepal and Bangladesh, they are not neighbors, but they are in the same region, at least. So they really like YouTube, and YouTube like them. I feel like, yeah. But well, I had very good time making videos in Nepal and Bangladesh. Yeah, it is still one. No, Nepal is one of my favorite countries, and Bangladesh is one of my favorite YouTube countries, because when you're going around with the camera, you feel like you are a celebrity or something. But when I was there, I just had like 100 subscribers or something. So, but when I made this video in English, yeah, due to push out and the Bangladeshian was interesting to see a Swedish guy making stupid videos from their country, I guess. But the third place is videos from Morocco. Yeah, Morocco. Yeah, I made a few videos from Morocco. Some perform very well, some perform not that great, but yeah, still around four to 4,000 views. And for a small channel with around 1,000 subscribers, yeah, it's quite good. Because my last video I posted, it's only get 40 views. So for me, getting over 500 views is a big, big win for me. Now to the main that everyone have been waiting for: how to get paid on YouTube without having 4,000 watch hours. So without really being monetized. What you can do is you can have a shop. You can sell stuff like t-shirt, mugs, you name it. And you can also have like a super tanks. Yeah, I have never gotten a super tank, but it's like if you press super tanks, then you can donate some money to your favorite YouTuber. So yeah, this is another way to gain money on YouTube without being monetized. But how did I earn my money and how much did I earn? You know, I have a membership area on my channel. It's not really active, but it's also very good to support YouTubers. Just not me. I think almost every YouTuber had this membership area. But I have one member. Thank you a lot to be my member. You're my first and only member on the channel so far. It's and you pay. I think you pay $1.50 per month to become a member. Have you heard about Buy Me a Coffee or a Patreon page? Yeah, the membership area is very similar to that one. The only thing is that it's on your YouTube channel. So yeah, so you can publish videos or posts for only members, and sometimes you can do videos that go publish for your membership area before. The membership area is the only thing I earn money on YouTube. I earn, for 1 subscribers, I earn 10 cents. And he had been a member for 4 months, so I earned 43 cents US dollars. That's not, I will not be a millionaire anytime soon, but I'm still earning money on something I really like to do. Making videos and traveling. But I'm really not making money. I'm losing money when I'm traveling. If you see it like a business, because it costs every time you travel. It costs a lot of money. Even if you stay in hostel and doing cheap stuff, it costs a lot of money to travel. So but I'm still earning. But I go, yeah. The wallet is not happy with me when I'm traveling, but my experience is very happy with me, or my mind is very happy with me. My memory is very happy with me when I'm traveling. So that's I think of why I'm traveling, like meeting people and making memories. Yeah, but I'm not a millionaire on YouTube. It's a small channel. Maybe it will grow in the future, maybe not. But I will still making videos. Maybe not as much as I do now, but I will make videos in the future as well. Even if no one really watch, but I have still people watching my videos, so I'm grateful for that. I'm really grateful for even if it's only 5 people that are seeing my videos and liking a comment and doing likes and building a conversation. or something. I'm really happy about that. I'm happy for the small things in life, you know. So, but this was a small video for my 1 year update on YouTube. So what will be happening in the future? Who knows? I don't know really. I will publish one more video in November maybe, and then I will see what will be happening. But as always, thank you for watching, and see you somewhere in the world, maybe on this couch. Yeah, the last video was also on this couch with a big princess cake. If you have not seen that one, you can see it up here, or here, or here, or yeah, somewhere on the channel. So if you want more videos like this, just comment down below what you want to see on the channel. And thank you for watching, and cheers. Of course I have green tea. Thank you. Ciao. Arrivederci. Hej då. Ha det gött.